Good morning, children. Welcome back to your social studies class. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 11, Agriculture. So be ready for your class. India is one of the major agricultural country in the world. About 70% of India's population is directly or indirectly depends on agriculture and its related functions. Hence, it is the main occupation of India. Now children, do you know what is agriculture? Agriculture refers to the cultivation of land for growing crops. It also includes horticulture, rearing of cattle, pisciculture, etc. Types of cropping seasons in India. In India, there are 3 cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Rabi season. The crops sown in winter and harvested in spring are called Rabi crops. Wheat, pea, gram and mustard are Rabi crops. Kharif season. The crops sown immediately after the first rain in July are called Kharif crops. Rice, maize, jute and cotton are Kharif crops. Zaid season. This season comes in between Rabi and Kharif seasons. Watermelon, cucumber and muskmelon are grown in this season. Children, India has a varied climate. Crops grown across the country depends on several factors such as favorable climate, soil, rainfall and irrigation facilities. These factors help in growing different types of crops in India. Now, India has mainly 2 types of crops: food crops and cash crops. Food crops. The crops grown mainly to feed the people are called food crops. It forms the overall diet of a nation. Rice, wheat, millets and pulses are the main food crops. Now, let us learn more about these crops. Rice. Rice is the major food crop of India. It is the staple food of Indians, especially those living in the eastern and southern states. Rice grows well in hot and wet areas. River basins and deltas are ideal for the cultivation of rice as they have rich alluvial soil and water. Punjab, West Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu, etc. are the chief producer of rice. Next is wheat. Wheat is the staple food of the people living in North India. Wheat needs cool and moist climate. Wheat is cultivated mostly in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Now, millets. Millets are the plants that produce very small grains. It includes jawar, bajra and ragi. Millets grow in the dry and less fertile areas where it is difficult to grow rice and wheat. Millets are grown in parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Now, pulses. Pulses are the seeds of plants which are cooked and eaten as food. In Hindi, pulses means dal. They are rich in proteins. Please remember, India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world. Pulses like chana, moong, urad, rajma are grown in India. That's all for today. Thank you.